YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting product review. In this video, our main focus is going to be the new for ultimate curl flexibility DevaCurl Supercream. See this product in a curl box. I will leave the direct video for the curl box unboxing above in the cards if you want to check that video out when I initially unboxed this item. The product retails at $28 on the DevaCurl website. If you use DevaCurl products or interested in giving them a try, I would suggest that you definitely register to receive their emails. I am on their email list, and as of this morning, I received, and they're offering a 20% coupon if you put wash day 20, and this coupon is they're celebrating the daylight savings. So if you use DevaCurl or interested in trying the DevaCurl products, make sure that you register, receive their emails. They always offer amazing coupons and discounts. But moving on to the product review, as I mentioned, I received this in the curl box. If you're not familiar with curl box, you're missing out. I will leave a direct link down below in the description box to the curl box website if you want to check that out, or even check them out on Instagram at curlbox. This came in my curl box. This is a super cream, and I was so excited about it because it does state that it's for coarse hair. This is a rich coconut infused definer, and it's for coarse hair. It defines. Meet our superhero styler, the multitasking ultra rich cream with the hydro definition blend. Provides coarse curls with smoothness, shape, shine, and frizz control. Usage: rub in between palms and smooth over soaking wet hair. On thicker curls, apply in sections. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. So this is going to be your styler. It comes in a 5.1 fluid ounce. Nice cream thick consistency. 3 pumps will give you enough for like a small section of it. It has a really nice soft smell to it. You can really smell the coconut in it. I do love the texture of it. I'm going to share with you. Unfortunately, this is the only product that I had in the DevaCurl line, so I was so excited to try it. I had been following them for years and seeing some really good reviews and people using the product, so I was excited to try that. But I'm going to share with you what I used to achieve this look and my final reviews of using this. Started off with the TGIN, that thank God it's natural. I used their shampoo, moisture rich shampoo, along with the triple moisturizing replenishing conditioner. I do love this product line. Rest in peace to the owner who unfortunately had passed away on last year. I absolutely love these products. I did do a full product review on these products. I'll leave that video link above in the cards and also below in the description box if you want to check that out, just to see what I thought about those products. And then I followed up. I was looking for my Design Essential foaming cleanser, which I use as a styler, and that really helps to boost my hair. But unfortunately, I probably ran out of it, just didn't realize it because I have so many hair products. But I use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Styling Mousse. So I followed up with this, and this was actually in my last curl box unboxing video. I will leave that link above also in the cards if you want to check that unboxing out to see what all was received, because I received the full product line of the Pure Honey line by Cream of Nature. So I'll leave that link above in the cards if you want to check that out. And then the star of the show, I followed up with the DevaCurl Supercream. Like I mentioned before, I was extremely excited to try this. Love the texture, love the smell, but looking at my hair, I don't love the final results, and I'm not sure, is it because I use the mousse or should I use a different leave-in conditioner? My hair is soft, but it still doesn't look as hydrating. When I think of super cream and moisturizing, I thought I was going to have complete hydration, and even feeling the creamy texture of this, I thought it would have gave my hair a lot more moisture to it. My hair has like a dull look. I mentioned before in plenty of prior videos, I can really tell when something is working on my hair and offering the hydration that I need, because my hair will tend to look darker in color. My hair doesn't look as dark. It has kind of like an ashy dark color to it, I'll so to speak. It has like a depth. So probably I wouldn't use this one again. I'm definitely going to finish this up, probably use it with one of my more hydrating leave-in conditioners, or probably double it with another one of my favorite natural hair care moisturizers to see if I can get use out of this. But this by itself as a moisturizer was a no for me. So like I said before, if you wanted to try the products or have tried this or received curl box, let me know below what your thoughts was. How did you use it? Did you use it with something else, or like how did you use it? What was your outcome? Did your hair not feel as hydrating as you would have liked? I mean, it's not really dry, but I expected my hair to look, you know, shinier and more vibrant for some reason with this. Also, for next weekend, I have an extremely exciting giveaway that I'm going to be doing on the channel. So if you enjoyed the content and you are located in Atlanta or around the Atlanta surrounding areas, please make sure that you're subscribed and also your post notification are turned on, because you do not want to miss my next video. As always, please make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, I will see you in my next video.